Okay. Alright guys, here we are back at Bao Zhu Zao Fu. 10-cent denomination. I stepped it up to $24 bets. A couple spins later, we got the double up and extra spins. Let's get it. Let's go. Not too bad numbers to start with. Alright, honey. It's all you. You're in control. Come on, baby. Oh, come on. There we go. Keep them coming. There we go. Our $24 bet though. I was expecting some bigger numbers here, but I guess I shouldn't be greedy, but everybody knows as a gambler, it's okay to be greedy with the casino. So, I'm feeling greedy. Come on. Bigger numbers. Come on. Drop a word. Come on. Don't be done. Last spin coming in on the bottom. Well, if we can save it. Nope. Last spin coming in at the top. Save it. There we go. She saved it. There we go. All right, 4 spins to get to, dude, guys. I'm gonna take that $5,000. Come on. Come on. Do it. Nah, didn't do it. Count them up. $387.50. Ammo, guys, ammo. We'll be back, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.